What's going on, you guys? My name is Jack Scrimshire. I'm the founder of the Gentleman's Lounge, and today I'm going to talk a little bit about my evening beard care routine. So the goal with the evening beard care routine is obviously not to style and shape your beard, but to really just lay on conditioning creams and agents so that in the morning when you wake up, your beard is soft, it's flake-free, it doesn't itch, there's no redness on the skin, and the hair is nice and strong and not brittle and breaking. Okay? So the evening beard care routine for me is the primary reason that my beard is as healthy as it is. And I'm going to show you why. So what you'll need for this is actually very simple. You'll need a beard oil and a beard butter, and optionally a beard brush, which just helps make the process a little bit easier but is not required. So the first thing I'm going to do is beard oil, a couple drops in the hand, and this is great if you work out at night and you take your shower at night or something like that. Do this right after your shower while the pores are open. Alright, so beard oil, really get it into the skin, and I'm going to use a little bit more than I normally would in the mornings, just because throughout the day you can always reapply oil, but when you're in bed sleeping you're not going to be able to do that. So I'm going to apply just a little bit more than normal, but not enough that I'm, getting grease on my pillow or something like that. So beard oil is done, and this is where you can brush it in if you feel like it. This just helps get it really down to the skin. It also will help exfoliate the skin with the brush and even increase blood flow to the skin, which helps promote growth and healthier, stronger hairs too, which is a pretty good benefit, I think. So brush it in, alright? And now we're going to come in with the beard butter, alright? And I like to, again, use a little bit more than I normally would, okay? And what this is going to do is not only condition the skin and hair, but because it's a solid conditioner, once it hardens back up here, it's actually going to lock in the oils that I just loaded on and really keep them pressed against the skin and hair all night. So you're getting a full 8, 9, 10, however many hours you sleep of just deep conditioning. And that's why we call this a deep conditioning beard butter. So that's really all there is to it. If you feel like brushing it in again, you can do that, absolutely. Again, not required, but it does help. So that's really all there is to it. If you guys have any questions, comments, let me know down in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, and let me know in the comments below that as well, alright? Thank you.